Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you love grilling on the go or need a compact setup for your backyard cookouts, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be showing you the top 5 best tabletop gas grills carefully selected for their performance, portability, build quality, and real user feedback. For more details and the latest prices, check out the links to all the products in the description below. Now, let's get into it. Number 1. Cuisinart CGG180T Petit Gourmet. The Cuisinart CGG180T Petit Gourmet is a compact yet surprisingly powerful tabletop gas grill designed for anyone who loves the flavor of outdoor cooking but needs something lightweight and easy to carry. Despite its small size, this grill's 150 square inch porcelain enameled grate provides enough space to cook up to 8 burgers, steaks, or chicken breasts at once, perfect for small families, picnics, or tailgating events. It's powered by a 5500 BTU stainless steel burner that heats quickly and evenly, while the twist-to-start ignition makes firing it up effortless. The built-in temperature gauge gives you precise control, helping you nail perfect sears and juicy finishes every time. Weighing just 17 pounds and measuring 18 by 12 by 11.5 inches, it's easy to carry with its briefcase-style handle. Number 2. Royal Gourmet GT1001 Stainless Steel Grill. If you want a bit more power and cooking area while keeping things portable, the Royal Gourmet GT1001 stainless steel grill is an excellent step up. With a total cooking surface of 285 square inches, including a 214 square inch primary grate and a 71 square inch warming rack, it provides enough room to cook for a group without feeling cramped. The U-shaped stainless steel burner produces 10,000 BTUs of consistent heat, distributing warmth evenly across the entire grill surface for uniform results. Built with stainless steel throughout, the GT101 not only looks sleek, but also resists corrosion and wear over time. It's easy to carry, featuring folding legs, latching hoods, and a sturdy handle for transport to campsites, decks, or tailgating spots. The included regulator connects to a standard 1-pound propane cylinder, giving you instant setup for outdoor cooking. Number 3. Cuisinart CGG306 Stainless 2-Burner Grill. Next up, the Cuisinart CGG306 Stainless 2-Burner Tabletop Grill offers professional-grade cooking performance in a compact, travel-friendly design. It features 2 independent stainless steel burners, each producing 10,000 BTUs of heat, giving you a combined 20,000 BTUs for powerful, even grilling. This setup allows dual-zone cooking, great for searing meat on one side while gently roasting vegetables or seafood on the other. Setup takes less than 10 minutes with no tools required, and the twist-start ignition guarantees quick, reliable lighting every time. The integrated thermometer provides accurate temperature readings, ensuring you maintain optimal cooking conditions with minimal effort. Weighing only 22 pounds, it's easy to carry with a sturdy handle and foldable legs that make transport simple. The full stainless steel body resists rust and ensures long-term durability, even with frequent outdoor use. Number 4. Gas One Flat Grill Single Burner. The Gas One Flat Grill Single Burner is a minimalist yet highly versatile option designed for those who value simplicity and functionality. Its heavy-duty stainless steel body and pre-seasoned flat griddle surface provide excellent heat retention and even cooking, perfect for everything from breakfast items to grilled meats and vegetables. With its flat surface design, you're not limited to traditional grilling. You can fry eggs, sauté onions, or even toast buns alongside your main dish. The auto-ignition system ensures quick startup, while the included propane regulator and hose assembly make setup effortless. It's ideal for a range of uses, whether you're camping, tailgating, or just cooking outdoors at home. A practical drip tray underneath collects grease and debris, keeping cleanup stress-free and efficient. Number 5. Portable Propane Stainless Tabletop Grill by OnlyFire. Rounding out the list, the OnlyFire Portable Propane Stainless Tabletop Grill is a high-performance grill built for those who demand serious cooking power in a portable form. It features a spacious 286 square-inch stainless steel cooking grate, allowing you to prepare multiple dishes at once without crowding the surface. 3 independently controlled burners deliver up to 24,000 BTUs of total heat, giving you the precision to cook delicate foods at low temperatures or sear meats at high heat. It's compatible with both 1-pound and 20-pound propane tanks, and the included hose and valve makes switching between them effortless. Designed for portability, it includes foldable legs, a locking lid, and a built-in handle, making it easy to take to campsites, tailgates, or backyard gatherings. A removable grease tray helps keep maintenance simple, while the durable stainless steel body ensures longevity even after years of heavy use. The performance-to-size ratio here is impressive. It cooks like a full-size grill, yet fits neatly on a tabletop. Whether you're grilling burgers for the family, skewers for a picnic, or fish by the lake, the OnlyFire Portable Propane Tabletop Grill delivers professional results wherever you set it up. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best tabletop gas grills. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more outdoor gear and tech reviews. Thanks for watching Tech Talk Reviews. See you in the next one.